To building a house, obviously, is cost, money, and sometimes we don't know exact cost. What I did, I just brought some information that how you can build your house, and then you can save almost 20 to 30%. Trust me, that I'm trying to cover 3 episodes. The first episode we did it lately, and I'll drop that link in the description box so we can go over. Now the second episode is gonna be a second stage of the house, what and how many steps required to build that house, and that will pretty much will cover second stage, and then we can deal with the bank, and also what I will do when I will do my episode 2, I will also do some reviews on it. So let's do episode 2 and see how many steps required. All right, let's go ahead. Step number 2. Step number 5. Step number 6. Step number 7. That is the lockup stage, and lockup stage pretty much covering all the framings, all the windows, doors, and your electrical, plumbing, and heating, and also your roofing. Hope you like my video, and I'll come back with the episode 3. And if you like my video, please do subscribe so you don't miss any new video coming. And again, I will drop the link of the episode 1 in the description box. And thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.